Welcome to our channel, where we explore the beauty of architecture and design. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, a beautifully designed small family cottage with a charming grilling porch. Join us, we take you on a visual journey through this stunning home. Let's start our tour with some breathtaking images of the cottage exterior. First of all, I'm telling you about we explore in this video 100 plus images that show you different ideas that will transform the small cottage, or we can say exterior design model of the house. Let's continue. Nestles amidst lush greenery, this cottage is a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. As you can see, the cottage features a timeless architectural design that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. The warm wooden accent and stone facade create a welcoming atmosphere. Now, let's take a closer look at the heart of this cottage, the grille porch. This is where family gathering and barbecue parties comes to life. So you can see lots of imaging showing grilling pot design. Basically, this video is based on grilling pot small cottage designs ideas. So you can see different ideas that can take from this video. Only showing this video exterior model design multiple ideas. Hopefully this video help you. Please let's stay tuned at the end of the video. The grilling porch offers a cozy outdoor dining experience with a view. Whether you are hosting a barbecue night or simply enjoying a cup of coffee, this space is a truly gem. Every corner of this cottage you can see has been carefully designed. From the intricate woodwork to the charming window frames, every detail contribute to its unique character. The cottage is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, and the choice of plants and flowers add a touch of colors and life to the exterior. The beauty of this cottage is not limited to one season. Let's take a look at how it transforms throughout the year. While we are primarily exploring the exterior today, we cannot resist giving you a quick glimpse of the cozy and inviting interior. Stay tuned for a future video where we delve into the interior design. If you have enjoyed this visual tour of the beautifully designed small family cottage, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. We had loved to hear from you. This script, it's all about how to decorate and multiple ideas that you can see here. Before we conclude, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite feature of this charming cottage? Is the grilling porch, the intricate woodwork, or the beautiful landscaping? Or perhaps you have your own dream home design in mind? Share your thoughts and design ideas in the comments below. Your feedback inspires us to bring you more incredible homes and design inspiration. And you have not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future architectural adventures. And also you can check my previous video on this channel about exterior model designs in multiple videos, not only one. uh, Today we are exploring the enchanting world of small cottage where beauty meets practicality actually. Join us to take on this multiple ideas of the exterior designs Small cottages have an undeniable allure. They often feature timeless architectural design that blends seamlessly with their natural surroundings. So there's a small beauty actually, a small cottage beauty. We can say from quaint thatched roofs to charming window boxes bursting with flowers, these homes are a feast for the eyes. The beauty of a small cottage lies in their attention to detail. These small are often adorned with handcrafted woodwork, intricate trim as you can see in this video, and cozy fireplace that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Nestles in idyllic setting, they offer a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Beyond their visual appeal, small cottages offer a range of benefits that make them a wise choice for many. Small cottages are often more environmentally friendly. They require fewer resources to build and maintain, which can reduce their carbon footprint. Their small size creates an intimate and cozy living environment. Everything in it is within easy reach, fostering a sense of comfort and contentment. Smaller homes often come with a lower price tag, making home ownership more accessible. Plus, reduced square footage means lower utility bills with less space to maintain. Small cottage owners spend less time and money on upkeep, giving them more freedom to enjoy life. Let's take a look at some real life small cottage and the stories of those who have chosen the enchanting way of life. If the beauty and benefits of a small cottage have captivating your heart, remember that they are more than just houses. They are a lifestyle choices whether you dream of weekend retreat or full-time haven. Small cottage offer a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty and benefits you can see and multiple ideas on small cottage designs. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on architecture, design, and living. Until next time, may your dreams of cozy cottage and peaceful retreat comes true. Bye bye. Before we wrap up, I'd like to invite you, please explore our channel on more videos that can help you transform your house into latest and modern exterior, interior, living, bedroom designs ideas. Hopefully you like it this video. Also press the bell icon and subscribe our channel for more inspiring ideas.